Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how we make spiced poppadoms. Quite popular, a lot more healthier than the normal poppadoms because they're not deep fried. So we use Natco black pepper. I found these are the best ones. I mean, it says like here, microwave in 60 seconds. You could probably do that, but we use a different technique. So a lot of these videos, are used to train our staff, or a lot of people who are working in the trade want to see how we do things. So we actually use a tandoor oven, which I'll show you in a minute. Please don't forget to like, it helps the algorithm of the videos. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, ask me any questions. There's been a lot of people asking me a lot of questions at the moment. I've been trying to help as many people as I can. Somebody said the other day, I work in an Indian restaurant, your videos have helped me, and that's what they're there for, to help us bring in the skilled chefs. So let's get cooking. Spiced poppadoms, very quick and simple. So we've got the spiced poppadoms here. So they come in like this. Most Indian restaurants, and the normal poppadoms in the restaurants, they won't make them from scratch. It's just too intense in labour. So they just bite in sort of like this. So it's completely different from normal poppadoms because they are spiced, they're baked. So we're just putting a little bit of water on the edges, and then we're just sticking it in the tandoor, as like so. And we can do multiple together. Okay, so I'm going to do about 5-6 together. All I'm doing is just on the tip adding a bit of water there, and I'm just sticking it in to our tandoor. There you go, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in there, and it's just cooking very quickly. Once it's cooked, you can see it's kind of cooked, it's like that, and then we take it out, and then we use something just to flatten it. So the rest of them are getting cooked now. So that one's done, and you just peel it off. So some people, I know you've got tandoors at home, so you can use it like this. Some people haven't. Like I said, it says you can microwave it in 60 seconds. So this one's done as well. And then we're just using this to flatten it up. That one's done as well. Again, we're just flattening it up. Very quick, takes a matter of seconds really. 30 seconds and it's probably done. And that one is done as well. There you go. So that was very quick, very simple. I've done about 5 or 6 poppadoms in about a minute and a half, couple of minutes at the most. They're a lot healthier for you. So I know a few people have health issues, quite a lot of my customers, and they say they can't have too much deep fried. So I've moved them on to spiced poppadoms, and it's worked really well for them. And there we have it, spiced poppadoms.